Premier location in downtown Orlando's up-and-coming Ivanhoe Village, packed with new shopping, dining, and entertainment. A 98% complete teardown in 2003 transformed an old 1950s house into a custom home with a private resort-style pool with a heated spa that's been well maintained, lovingly cared for, and the place where many parties and events have taken place. Situated on a double lot with large canopy trees is a home with a fantastic first impression, such as a new circular driveway in 2017, new exterior paint in 2020, new refreshed landscaping in 2020, fenced yard, and brand new solar power with an estimated 1.024 megawatt-hours output. Use the power of the sun, generate your energy, and sell back the extra. An inset Persian red front door opens up to a soaring floor plan with dual gabled parallel dormers and modern architectural accents. The living room with hidden under-stair wine storage features easy maintenance flooring and is adjacent to a well-designed multi-flex living space. The remodeled kitchen 2015 features stone counters, upgraded cabinets, deep double sink, stainless steel appliances with a double oven range, and plenty of storage space. Adjacent is a multi-flex space designed for the future owner to choose which area is the family room, dining room, and bonus/bar area. Adjacent to the bar, removable with tile flooring underneath, are large sliding doors opening the fantastic screen-covered patio, a standing pool, and grand open-air vast side patio. The first-floor owner's suite, with French door access to the pool and patio, offers room for large furniture and owner's bath with walk-in shower, wainscoting, and second walk-in closet with custom organizers. Upstairs, the bonus loft is enormous. There is a full-size closet, fantastic view of the first-floor living space, adjacent second bedroom, and plenty of natural light from 4 large windows. The bonus loft would also make an excellent telecommuting space, homeschooling area, or game room. As for the pool and patio area, you'll be the envy of the neighborhood, especially when the brand new heater turns on. There are also sliding glass doors leading from the side open patio to the garage with instant access to the kitchen. Easily entertain over 100 guests outdoors, as there is that much space. Your friends will never want to leave. Let's not forget nearby exciting places such as the Orlando Science Center.